Good morning, sir. Sir, you have given the green lights to Malaysia to deport the around 7,000 Filipinos who are in Sabah who illegally migrated there.
Yes, we are almost an hour. Okay lang sa kanila. And I said, no clemency, except that give us time to... ang problema doon, kasi yung mga Pilipino, walang edukasyon. And we cannot expect also Malaysia to absorb them because hindi sila Filipino citizens. They should be learning our history, not the history of somebody else's country. But they are there. So I will ask government to intervene. We will have to put up schools there. And sa ospital naman, nakakahiya naman na puro hindi nga nagkaroon. That's an added cost to them. So we will ask a neutral country, maybe neutral agency, rather, WHO, whatever, to establish hospitals there. Pero atin ang mga tao padala na i-deploy natin. The nurses, kawawa eh. Kawawa yung mga tausog doon na. Most of them are tausog. But they are Filipinos. And they should be attended to.